That same afternoon, we met at Maya's house to discuss how to tell everyone about our festival. Maya's family lived in a large apartment above their cafe. Her bedroom was always full of interesting things: books, magazines, CDs, DVDs, and art supplies. "We need to use every method," Maya said. "We should make posters, use social media, send emails, and maybe even talk to the local newspaper." Sophie immediately started designing a poster on her computer. She was really good at art and design. Tom suggested that we create a website for the festival. "I can build one," he offered. "People can find information online about the different activities, and they can also buy tickets there." This was a brilliant idea because many people in our town, especially the younger ones, were always online. I decided to write an article about the festival and send it to the Greenville News. My English teacher had always told me that I was good at writing, so I wanted to try. I spent an hour that evening at home, sitting at my desk, working on the article. I explained why we were organizing the festival and what we hoped to achieve. By the end of the week, things were moving fast. Sophie had painted beautiful posters with bright colors: red, yellow, green, pink, and purple. Tom's website was ready and looked very professional. The newspaper agreed to publish my article. We were ready to introduce our festival to the whole town.